The 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra, the apex of three-wheeled touring. The king of the road, refined. Speed Riders, where we explore the ultimate expressions of touring luxury and capability in the world of three-wheeled motorcycles. One name stands as the undisputed sovereign of comfort, technology, and American presence. That reign continues with a new level of sophistication. This is the 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra, a machine that elevates its legendary formula with sharper technology, enhanced comfort, and even more effortless command for the long-distance captain. Design and presence, unmistakable American luxury. The 2026 Tri Glide Ultra retains its iconic, imposing silhouette, a seamless fusion of motorcycle agility and automotive stability. Its design is a masterclass in presence, featuring massive, flowing fenders, extensive chrome and blacked-out accents, and the signature integrated tour pack and saddlebags for the new model year. The bodywork is subtly sharpened with new aerodynamic elements, and premium two-tone paint schemes highlight its grand scale. This is a vehicle that doesn't just occupy space. On the road, it commands it, looking as majestic on a coastal highway as it does parked outside a destination hotel. Powertrain and performance, Milwaukee 8 muscle, perfected. At its heart beats the air-cooled Milwaukee 8 117V twin engine, now equipped with hydraulic clutch actuation and a refined cooling system for 2026. This 1,923 cubic centimeters powerhouse delivers its immense torque right off idle, providing the smooth, authoritative surge of power that defines the Harley-Davidson experience. The character is pure, rumbling American muscle, but tuned for the effortless, vibration-free cruising needed for all-day touring, whether navigating mountain passes or merging onto interstate highways. The power is always abundant, relaxed, and perfectly suited to the Tri Glide's mission. Chassis and technology, the intelligent touring fortress. The Tri Glide's rigid, triple frame structure provides a foundation of unparalleled stability, now paired with the new reflex defensive rider systems with electronic linked braking, ELB. For the Tri Glide, this system intelligently balances braking force between all three wheels during every stop. The crown jewel of the 2026 update is the introduction of the adaptive ride control semi-active suspension, which automatically adjusts damping in real time to load and road conditions, combined with standard boom box GTS with navigation, tire pressure monitoring, and a comprehensive security system. The Tri Glide Ultra is a rolling fortress of technology. The riding experience, sovereign comfort and control. Settling into the Tri Glide's cockpit is an experience in itself. The deeply contoured, heated seats for rider and passenger, the expansive fairing with an adjustable vented windscreen, and the intuitive hand controls create a climate-controlled command center. The hydraulic steering is light and precise, making low-speed maneuvers and parking surprisingly manageable on the open road. The sensation is one of absolute, unshakable stability and serenity. The combination of immense torque, plush suspension, and comprehensive wind protection makes marathon days not only possible but profoundly relaxing. This is touring without fatigue. Final verdict, the unrivaled three-wheeled tourer. From Speed Riders, the conclusion is definitive. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra is the apex predator of the three-wheeled touring world. It successfully marries the visceral character and iconic style of a Harley-Davidson with a level of technological integration, safety, and adaptive comfort that sets a new benchmark for the long-distance tourer who values absolute stability, for the rider seeking the ultimate in two-up luxury and storage, or for anyone who believes the journey should be as magnificent as the destination. The Tri Glide Ultra isn't just the best choice, it's in a class of one, the king of three.